Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Capgemini hiring is announced for 2023, 2024, 2025 batch, but there are many questions which is there in your mind, and you need to know the reality, cooling period, if you can apply for the exam or not, network engineer, software engineer. So all those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. If you have not yet applied, using this link you will be able to apply, but keep your resume, stick to Capgemini, so that you will be getting the reward back from the company. Anyway, we'll discuss each and everything. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. We really put a lot of effort and bring the information which is genuine and required for you to know, because I have seen many of the students know they will be behind one hiring or one result, which is not correct. Okay, so please do subscribe and click on bell icon. We are already uploading a lot of videos, which is very important for you all. Okay, so let us come back here. Okay, Capgemini hiring. So friends, the first thing which you need to understand here is this Capgemini hiring, right? You can be able to apply, okay, if the limit is not put by superset. See, you might have seen in Cognizant, right? So when you go and apply for the different posts, right, then you will be able to see that they will tell one limit per application, right? One limit per application, one limit per application, and superset does not allow you to apply. Okay, but for Capgemini, if you are able to apply, like many of the students were asking, sir, I have already applied for network engineer. Okay, so can I apply for this software engineer or not? Because this particular profile is software engineer Capgemini Exceller, which you could see here. So software engineer Capgemini Exceller, 4 lakhs per annum is the package. Okay, so if you have already applied for network engineer, then also you if you are getting options to apply, then please do apply. Don't think much about it. Okay, now that is the first thing which I wanted to say. Second thing, friends, see, one thing you have to accept. See, it totally depends upon the company, what they are doing, diversity hiring or whatever kind of hiring. Okay, I really don't support. So Capgemini and Accenture, they basically are hiring more number of female candidates. You might have seen the recent hiring by Capgemini, where only female candidates are eligible to apply. So that is one thing is very sure, that Capgemini has shortage of female employees and they wanted to maintain the ratio. So even though if you are applying for this opportunity, right, so the male candidate, the number, even though if you perform well or whatever, that does not matter. See, there is something called diversity hiring. So even though if you perform very good, Microsoft will hire you for that performance, but Capgemini and Accenture, they might not hire you. Google will hire you for that performance, but this Capgemini and Accenture might not hire you. See, what I am trying to tell you is, so same gender people, okay, you please don't take this hiring very seriously. Okay, see, you keep it as an option, prepare hard, go for it, and rest leave it on God. And see, if you are preparing for one exam, no, you are automatically getting prepared for other exams as well. If they have to hire more number of candidates, definitely the chances will be more. But female candidates, my advice to you, you give your best. Okay, so do and die condition for you. If there is a Capgemini hiring, if there is Accenture hiring, trust me, that hiring we can easily get into it. So please give your best. Please kind of like do and die kind of preparation you have to do. Okay, cool. Then hiring process I will tell you once again. If you'll see here, you please apply, and the resume is very much required. So friends, we have launched ATS based resume just in 25 rupees. I'm not say 25 rupees what promotion I can do here. See, I just wanted, okay, you guys to utilize this platform as much as possible. And the reason we are charging, because this is AI enabled, so AI writes for you, so you need to pay for it. Okay, so you need to pay for it. If you will not pay, then I need to pay for it. Okay, so that is the reason we are charging some amount. And I saw there were many comments in the studies video, sir, very good selling strategy. Oh, it's okay. See, for me, how much I am going to earn from here? Nothing. 25 rupees. This AI will only take per resume. You will be able to edit some 10 times. Okay, and all this things AI will do for you. In 25 rupees, I am not going to earn anything. But by chance, if you lose this opportunity because of resume screening, no, then you will be only responsible, not us. Because I am literally tired of people telling, okay, you are doing business, you are selling. Definitely, yeah. See, we do it so that you clear the examination. And why we charge? Because there are teachers who is teaching. You see, in your college also you paid the amount for what? Because there are teachers who are paying to you. The college has to pay to the teachers. Otherwise, they would have given you free degree. That time, people does not realize that you are paying 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs. But 25 rupees, definitely people will have, like, they will open their eyes. Okay, somebody is doing a very big business, earning in crores and crores. It's okay. So that is one thing. I don't want, and how much we have spent on this website, right? So that also, it's okay. I don't want to discuss with you all those things. Okay, so please go ahead and apply for it. The pattern will be not very tough. Okay, see, one thing, friends, I'm not very clear about that coding assessment will be there or not. Okay, so I mean 50-50 chances I'm feeling. So communication round, the first round will be communication round. So in one of the videos which I uploaded 2 days back, if you go and see, so there I have mentioned about the communication round. So in this particular video, the step by step process, here a new pattern out. So all those things I have discussed over here, so you can go and check it out. Okay, now, so except coding, all other things will remain same. So communication round is not that easy. You have to practice a lot, because there are a lot of things which is coming in communication round. Total 28 questions will be there for 60 minutes. Okay, so 28 questions will be there for, and timing will be 60 minutes. And here they will mention, grammar will be there, comprehension will be there, and then this email writing will be there. So a lot of things will be there. So some 6 parts are there in communication round. So don't take it very easy. Then you will be having technical assessment, coding assessment. That is what is my doubt. So coding assessment, and or they might give you essay writing, because see, what happens is, this Capgemini, no, they don't have a fixed pattern, so they will be keep changing. Okay, so coding assessment, definitely, because it is for 4 LPA. So Capgemini and a list role for 4 LPA, there is no coding. Okay, so here the coding will be there or not, that is, see, for Capgemini analyst role, the package is 4.25, and their coding is not there. So here, that's what my doubt is. Okay, gamified round, so there will be some 6 to 7 games will be there, like I have forgotten the name actually. So one, it will be here also, bubble based game will be there, where you have to remember the positions of the bubbles. Okay, then inductive games will be there, deductive game will be there, this matrix based game will be there, right? So a lot of things will be there which you have to cover. And then finally the technical interview will be there. One more, the little bit in details. So here you could see, so this interview, analyst role and all those things you leave. Okay, so communication round, so this pattern is changed now, it is 60 minutes. Okay, and then technical assessment, 40 questions will be there. So here DBMS, OS, computer network, DSA, pseudocode. So pseudocode 25 questions will be there, and DBMS, computer network, OS, DSA, 15 questions will be there. Gamified, motion challenge, switch, digit, deductive and inductive reasoning. Okay, coding you might not get it. An interview, so see, if on campus analyst role, analyst prime, HR and managerial, but for off campus there will be software engineer role. Okay, software engineer role will be there, and here coding will coding might be there or not. See, you see here, eligible for analyst prime or senior analyst. So analyst role, which is for 4.25 LPA, there will not be any coding. Okay, so friends, the ultimate thing I wanted to tell you is, see, every hiring you try, But this hiring, no, you don't take it like, no, this is the best hiring, I will do everything for this hiring, and because of Capgemini you are not trying for something else. So don't get into that kind of thing. Okay, this hiring is there, we will put effort. And if some of you, if you do not know about that, we are providing this Capgemini crash course, then please go ahead and have this course. Okay, Capgemini crash course. So where recorded classes, English communication, essay writing, technical MCQs, coding, and game based aptitude, everything is covered from basic to whatever is required for you. So please don't worry about it, but understand each and everything which I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.